Samsung Galaxy Tab S11, next-gen power, design and innovation. Samsung has dominated the Android tablet market for over 15 years, consistently delivering premium devices. At one point, Samsung's Galaxy Tab series was the only true alternative to the iPad. But now, in 2025, the competition is fiercer than ever. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and Tab S10 Ultra made waves with their powerful specs and sleek design, yet there's always room for improvement. With the Galaxy Tab S11 series, Samsung is expected to raise the bar once again. Here's everything we know so far. Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 release date, when can we expect it? Tear-off calendar expected launch window, late 2025 or early 2026 shopping cart availability, likely to go on sale a few weeks after the official announcement pushpin models expected, regular Tab S11 and Tab S11 Ultra, no Plus model? Samsung follows a predictable release cycle, typically launching flagship tablets every 12 to 18 months. Here's a timeline of recent Galaxy Tab S series releases. Pushpin Galaxy Tab S10 series, September 2024 Pushpin Galaxy Tab S9 series, August 2023 Pushpin Galaxy Tab S8 series, February 2022 Pushpin Galaxy Tab S7 series, September 2020. Based on this pattern, we expect the Galaxy Tab S11 series to debut between late 2025 and early 2026, possibly alongside the Galaxy S26 flagship smartphones. However, rumors suggest a launch between July and December 2025, though the exact date is still unclear. How many Galaxy Tab S11 models will Samsung launch? Small Blue Diamond Tab S11 Ultra, high-end flagship Small Blue Diamond Tab S11, expected to replace the Tab S10 Plus Crossmark No Tab S11 Plus? For the Galaxy Tab S10 series, Samsung skipped a compact variant, focusing solely on Plus and Ultra models. With the Tab S11, Samsung may follow a two-device strategy, offering a regular Tab S11 and a premium Tab S11 Ultra, possibly dropping the Plus model altogether. Interestingly, Samsung could also rename the lineup, similar to what it did with the Galaxy S10 to S20 series. Could we see the Galaxy Tab S11 rebranded as the Galaxy Tab S20 or Galaxy Tab S25 to align with smartphone naming trends? Galaxy Tab S11 series pricing, how much will it cost? Moneybag expected price range, Pushpin Galaxy Tab S11, around $999/$999, similar to the Tab S10 Plus Pushpin Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, likely to remain $199/$199. Samsung's flagship tablet pricing has gradually increased with each new generation. Given the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra launched at $199/$199, and the Tab S10 Plus started at $999/$999, we expect similar pricing for the Galaxy Tab S11 lineup.